Welcome to Santa Fe, a place where scholars learn and grow.
Here's some electives that we offer at Santa Fe.
In coding, we teach students how to code their own games. This is a way for students to express their creativity with their computer and another language.
In the STEM lab, students explore their hobbies or even careers. We also learn about life skills that we may need in the future.
Chinese is a language program that we offer at Santa Fe. You would learn how to speak, write, and understand in Mandarin.
In this class, we learn how to play the piano and read music.
We learn how to communicate with others in band and orchestra. This is a place where we learn music and communication at the same time. Hope you can join us for our upcoming school year.
See you soon!
The telescopic mascara is a valuable and useful product. The mascara includes a long, skinny, flexible wand. It increases the length and volume of your eyelashes. You should definitely purchase this amazing necessity in your nearest store. Recommended by Vogue.
Premium is good, and it's blue raspberry flavor too. That's like my favorite flavor, to be honest.
Yo, bro, what you drinking?
Premium, have you not heard of it?
Oh, no, bro, I haven't heard of it. Really? Is it good?
Yeah, just that.
Get that weak chocolate.
Oh, you
Listen,
just popped my freaking premium.
listen. You need to try Prime.
You know how much money I spent on that?
Listen, bro, I don't.
Fine.
Probably not even good for you.
What is Prime?
All right, Prime is one of the best energy sports drinks in the world. It's almost better than Gatorade, and it has a lot of flavors. They have a lot of flavors like orange and strawberry and ice pop. But personally, I like strawberry watermelon. Which one would you like to try?
That's actually good.
See, this kid here was not a paid actor. He is actually a real human being that was not paid to be here, and he thought that it was a good drink. Now buy Prime today at prime.com for $1.99. Yo, bro, you drinking premium?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yo, bro, you like that drink?
It is. It's like better than.
Get that weak chocolate.
Bro, that shit hit my knee.
Why your knee gotta have everything freaking?
Hold the thing.